Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will display a georeference satellite photo as a background image in the map window. For that, we will go to our project, and here we will go to Edit and select General Data. And once in General Data, we can go to Satellite Image here. We will associate a new image. In this case, I will go to my import where I define this picture to be imported. Here consider that Sahara is going to recognize multiple formats. All of them are here. You can check them here. Now I will import this image here. Now, when you import a new image, you have to define an alias, which is going to be a simpler way to call the picture that you're going to import, that you're going to associate to the map. In this case, I will call it field. And then you have to define the minimum and maximum position of the x and y axis of the map. That is going to be the limits of the image. Here you can also check on the path, the destination folder where this picture is being taken from. So now for the limits, I will define 2, 2, 1, 3, 8, 7, 6. For the maximum in the x, 2, 2, 5, 4, 1, 5, 1. For the y minimum, 3, 4, 9, 9, 4, 0, 5. And for the maximum in the y axis, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 0, 5. Here in this case, I have the values already prepared, but you can create a picture and then modify manually by checking how it looks in the picture, try to georeference it, and then modifying it again. If the image is georeferenced, the coordinates will be filled in automatically. If it's not, the project boundary coordinates will be taken as default values that can be modified by the user later. Yeah, that will be everything. We will create it, and now to display the picture, we will go to the map window here, the configuration that is already open, this one here, and from here we'll go to map, background image. Here you have this menu, and here you can select a satellite image. I have it displayed, and here we have to select the file. So now like this, right? Now we can see the picture. I will maximize the map window here, and now we can see the satellite image of the reservoir. Here we can modify the transparency of the picture. Here, for example, we can increase it. The base color can be modified as well. We can, for example, change it to black. I will select zero transparency, and let's keep it in white. So that will be everything for this tutorial. We have loaded a satellite image into our Sahara project. We have learned where to set up this picture, where to look for the destination folder, how to select it from the file explorer in Windows, and then how to display it in the map window from this menu here, background image. You can import other types of images, not necessarily satellite image, by following the same procedure, but the most common use of this tool is to look for satellite image in the map window. So yeah, that will be everything for this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.